Hello everyone, today we are going to open the ABCD toys. Yay! This is the alphabets A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time won't you sing with me? There is the numbers as well. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So many numbers and so many letters. Letters and numbers. These toys are magnetic. Now we are going to open the box and stick the box into the magnetic fridge. Let's see now. Let's open the alphabets and the numbers. As you can see, these are the numbers and the alphabets. Look at these. Wow! So many numbers and alphabets. Now we are going to stick the alphabets over to the fridge. Let's find the letter A. Where is A? Baby, where is A? Yes, this is the alphabet A. A. Yes. Look at this. This is the alphabet A, the letter A. Now let's find the letter B. 1 minute, baby. Yes, this is the letter B. B. Now let's find the letter C. This is the letter C. Now let's find the letter D. This is the letter D. Now let's find the letter E. This is the letter E. Now let's find the letter F. This is the letter F. Now let's find the letter G. This is the letter G. Now let's find the letter H. H. Where is H gone? So many H. Now let's find the letter I. This is I. Now let's find the letter J. This is J. Let's find the letter K. K. Now let's find the letter L. Now let's find the letter M. Now let's find the letter N. Where are you? N. N. We've got N. Let's find the letter O. 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 Put it here. O. Baby, put O here. O. Oh, good boy. Good job. Now let's put the letter P. P. Yes. Now let's put the letter Q. Q. Let's put the letter Q. Where is Q? Someone find Q, please. Oh no, where is Q? Let's find Q. 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 Yes, this is Q. Baby, put Q. Here. Here. Yes, this is Q. Where is R? R. Baby, R. This is R. Now we're going to put S. Put S. S here. S. S. Now put T. T. Here. T. T. Now this is T. Now put the letter U. 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 Put it here, baby. Here. U. 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 Now put the letter V. V. Now put the letter W. Yes. Now put the letter X. X here. X. Now put the letter Y. Y. This one, baby. Y. And lastly the letter Z. Put this Z here, baby, here. Yes. Z. Yay! Now let's read the alphabets from starting. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Yay! Let's sing the ABC song. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me? Okay everyone, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Bye bye. Baby, bye bye. Baby, show them bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.